Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center. Today I am going to talk about how to improve your sperm quality. So first we will see what factors we look in a semen analysis, which is the test of your sperms. So in the semen analysis sample should be given at a fertility center where the andrologist or the embryologist look at your semen sample and they do perform the test of your semen analysis. So this semen analysis tells us about the number of sperms in your semen sample. First of all, how the semen appears. Is it too cloudy? Is the color not normal? Is it having some blood stain? So that is first thing is the appearance. Then the volume of the semen. Is it a normal volume semen sample or very high volume semen sample or very low volume semen sample? Then they check the pH of the semen sample, they check the fructose levels, they check the sperm count, they check motility of the sperms, which is graded according to the WHO standards. Then they look for the morphology of the sperm, means the structure of the sperm. How is the head of the sperm, how is the neck and the mid piece, and how is the tail of the sperm. So your sperms are having different things which tell us about the condition of your sperms, and it can also indicate about the conditions which may be causing particular defects in your semen parameters. So when there are motility issues, usually it might be because of infections or varicocele. When the counts are on the lower side, there are multiple reasons including hormones up to the infections or even sometimes genetic issues. So if you want to improve your semen parameters or the sperm quality, then first important thing is to consult a proper fertility specialist, if possible an andrologist, to understand why these semen parameters are deranged and to know if any further tests are required to find out problem like varicocele, which is of severe grade. So after all these evaluation and the advice from the doctor, what other things you can do to improve your sperm parameters. So what you can do to improve your sperm parameters is first of all is how's your general health, what is your lifestyle. So if you're generally healthy, if your lifestyle is healthy, you are having a balanced diet, not eating too much of junk food, all these things are going to affect your sperm parameters. If your weight is within normal range, if your BMI is less than 25 and you are not having any other habits like smoking, drinking, or not using any recreational drugs like marijuana or charas or all other recreational drugs, then your sperm parameters should be on a better side. So if you have any of these habits which may affect the sperm quality or motility or the count, you should quit smoking, you should stop drinking alcohol, you should stop using these recreational drugs. If required, you can take help of the doctor, or sometimes some anonymous groups are there which help in de-addiction, or there might be some medications which doctor may suggest you to for de-addiction. So de-addiction, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, having a healthy diet which is rich in proteins and antioxidants and multivitamins, which means lots of colorful fruits and vegetables in the raw form, preferably plant source proteins in the diet, keeping your weight under control. If you have any other medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid, blood pressure, if your cholesterol levels are high, all these conditions are going to affect your sperm parameters. We call it as reactive oxidative stress, which is increasing the DNA fragmentation index of your sperms, which means that because of all these medical conditions, there might be your cells are producing oxidative free radicals which are causing damage to your sperm's DNA, which leads to poor quality sperms, which may lead to miscarriages. And these things, if you can get under control, like you have to consult your endocrinologist or your physician to get your blood sugars under control, your cholesterol under control, your blood pressure under control. So if you control all these medical conditions, definitely your sperm parameters will improve. Now coming to the other causes, like sometimes there might be genetic causes for it, so there is no treatment for the genetic causes, but the doctor may suggest some particular injections, which may be hormone injections, or sometimes even the sperm extraction procedures from the testes. So such procedures also will help in improving sperm parameters. When we are doing an IVF cycle to improve the sperm which we are using for an ICSI procedure so that we have a better quality embryo, we also advise certain sperm selection techniques which may help us in selecting a better quality sperm. So these techniques such as microfluidics or max sperm sorting techniques, which we use to select the best sperm for your ICSI in IVF cycle, so that we have a good grade embryo. So this is about improving your sperm parameters, and I hope this was helpful. I wish you all the best. Thank you.